County until 1:45 p.m. At 1:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Jefferson to 8 miles south of London, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Gahanna, Bexley, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Lake Darby, Whitehall, Grandview Heights, Commercial Point, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Harrisburg, Orient, Port Columbus Airport, Georgesville, Madison Lake and Darby Dale. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 104. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 86 and 111. Now for the official